Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mercedes W212 gearbox. First, make sure your car is completely off and the engine is cool. You'll need to be inside the vehicle for this procedure. This simple reset can often resolve minor shifting issues and improve overall transmission response. It's a quick way to refresh your car's adaptive learning for smoother drives. Now turn your ignition to position 2. Do not start the engine, just get the dashboard lights on. With the ignition in this position, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Hold it there for a full 15 seconds. This step is crucial for initiating the reset sequence within the car's computer system. Keep that pedal down steadily. After holding the pedal for 15 seconds, gently release it. Immediately turn your ignition completely off. Do not start the car yet. Now, it's important to wait for at least 2 minutes. This allows the system to fully process the reset and clear its adaptive memory. Patience here ensures the reset is properly registered before you restart your Mercedes. Finally, start your engine and begin driving normally. The gearbox will now start to relearn your driving style, adapting for smoother and more responsive shifts. You should notice an improvement in how your car handles gear changes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.